Hi there, welcome. Now that my project is finished, what do? I need to create a video file, or I need to share it on YouTube. Okay, so you go to the share menu, you click on that. The first on the list is the local file. Okay, that is where you create the video file, but at the same time you can also share it online. Okay, we have the screencast.com, we have the Vimeo, we have the YouTube, we have the Google Drive, you have the custom production. Okay, all these you have to be connected to the internet. To do this, you need to log in according to the profile that you've created on any of this platform. Okay, but in this video we just want to see how to create a video file on your computer whereby you can share it with people. You can even upload it later to the YouTube as in the raw video file. Okay, so let me demonstrate how to go about that. So I click on local file. So this is what you have. This is the custom production setting 1364. This dimension is the editing dimensions. Okay, we have other options. In fact, even the first four options that we have here is the online sharing mode. Okay, so it depends on what you want. We have the different type. So if it were to be an MP4, that's a video that you can send to someone that this person can watch on their phones, on their own computer, you can decide to choose MP4 up to 720, or it's best to choose MP4 up to 1080, but this is going to have more weight than this. Okay, so it is up to you. What exactly do you want? You want a file size, a light, very light file size, or heavy file size? Okay, and this one is even much smaller, MP4 only, up to 480 pixel. Okay, these are pixel. It's showing the dimensions. Okay, so it depends on the audience. For YouTube, this goes up to 720 pixel, then 1080 pixel. Okay, so any of these goes. All right, so once you select one, then you can now click on next. Once you click on next, you title the video file, then make sure you know the output where you are exporting the video to on your hard drive. All right, then these other options, you can say organize produce files into a subfolder, show production result. So any of these other options doesn't affect the video. Okay, doesn't affect anything about the rendering or the creation of the video file. So you click on finish. Yes, you have to click on finish and the rendering will start. Let's see how the rendering looks like. Okay, so you can see this is how the rendering looks like. It depends on the duration of the video. This is a 4-minute something video. You can see how fast the rendering is going. If it is a lesser video, let's say 10 seconds, the rendering will be much faster. So I'm not rendering this, so I'm going to cancel it. So that is all you need to know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.